Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you the healthiest and easiest way to satisfy those ice cream cravings. So the main ingredient is frozen bananas, and when I first heard this I was pretty skeptical, you might be too, but I promise you this stuff tastes amazing. It has the consistency of like a soft serve, and yeah, it tastes just as good if not better. So you're going to start out with a bunch of frozen bananas. I would usually chuck in 2 or 3. This is a packet of frozen bananas. These were super cheap, so I bought them. Next, I'm just adding a little dash of soy milk to help it blend. So there's a lot of different things you can add depending on what flavors you like, but I'm just going to throw in some vanilla bean paste. You could also use vanilla extract or vanilla essence. So next up is blending it. It's a little tricky, but I find the best way is just to pulse it on low, unless you have one of those sticks where you can poke stuff down, or a food processor. Then I'll just take it off, give it a shake, and put it back on if it's not moving. So that is so good, and the texture will seriously surprise you. I'm just going to add in a few strawberries and some maple syrup to sweeten it up a bit and give it some more flavour. And also a little bit more soy milk just to help it blend. But yeah, there you go, super healthy, super easy, banana, strawberry, ice cream, whatever you want to call it. It tastes really good. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I make regular plant-based fitness and nutrition content, so if that's something you think you'd enjoy, maybe check out some of my other videos. And yeah, thanks for watching.